How to go back on iPhone. If you're a new iPhone user or just shifting from an Android or other device, it may feel a bit confusing at first, but I'll guide you through it with ease. You'll notice that the iPhone does not have a traditional button or visible option to go back. To show the process, let's open up an app, for example, Settings. From here, let's head on over to any page. I'll go to General. Here, you have two options to go back. One is the arrow on the top left corner. If you tap on it, it will take you back to the previous page. Now, let's go back to the General page again to try the other way. Once you're here, tap and swipe the screen from the left side just like this. And as you can see, the previous page is showing on the left. This way, if you swipe right from the very left, all the way to the right, you'll go back to the previous page. This same process applies for any app you use on the iPhone. Following these simple steps, you can easily go back on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.